let's go on to value. Let's go on to value. So value is really a superstar again. As label, similar to label, I do not agree with the terminology adopted by IBM SPSS. For me, let's go to gender and go to value. If you click on, if you highlight, you're gonna see the three dots, and again, you are smart enough when you see the three dots. You know that if you click on them, you're gonna see a sub menu, a sub window, right? A sub window. So for gender, you click on the three dots. Now you can enter the value labels. For example, value 0, code 0, and then label is male, and then you click add. Value 1, actually code 1, and then you can press tab in order to save time. You can press tab, okay? You can press tab on your keyboard to save time. Okay, yeah, rather than using your track trackpad, because trackpad is not as fast, as efficient as using a tab. A tab allows you to move your cursor from from one place to another very fast. So now you can enter female, and rather than clicking on add, it is a better way, a faster way to press enter on your keyboard. So now you have done that. Okay, you can click OK. So let's do it one more for student status. Okay, student status. So go back to our questionnaire. Student status, you have, actually you can copy again. Copy the first response category, copy the second, copy the third, copy another one, and another one, let's say, okay? File, response category. Let's come back to SPSS. Let's come back to SPSS for student status. So we click on the three dots, and we remember how we coded one, tab, and freshman, right? That's what we did. 2 for sophomore, enter. 3 junior, enter. 4 senior. All right. Okay, if you want, yeah, 5. Let's say other, no problem. But you know that you know your population. You know your population. If you are not going to survey other students, there is no need for you to to add other response category. Let's say you also focus on other students besides year 1, year 2, year 3, and year 4. So you can see when everything is done, you can click OK. Now you are done with this one. So again, now we try to understand the concept of value. So value is nothing more than the code and the response categories, right? The codes that you apply depends on the nature of your statement or question. For gender, you are going to apply dummy coding 0 and 1, and the response category you also remember, right? Because it's your research. Your research belongs to you, and you remember, you understand everything about your research. So, male and female. For student status, you remember that you apply the coding of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to response category, 5 response category from freshman to sophomore to junior to senior and to other. Please specify. So now we understand what SPSS means by the term value. So value refer to the codes that you assign to each response category. Okay, something like that. So honestly speaking, I'm not really happy with using the term value. For me, I would replace, if possible, I would replace the term value with codes, right? Because actually everything here refer to code and the response category. All right, right? So now we understand this concept.